So we'll look at the second one, which is due to XP. So db2 store procedure has got the create procedure name, and then it uses the in keyword, out keyword to define whether the parameters gotta be the input parameter or output parameter. Okay, so it's a specific difference, you can say. I got the specific word to actually give the store procedure a name in the catalog. So it's gotta be different one. So you can actually have like this, so which actually says the store procedure name is adjust salary, but then its specific name is adjust underscore salary 000 21 20 11. So the basic difference is that in db2 you could have another procedure with the name adjust underscore salary with different altogether different logic, and the main part is it needs to have different parameters as well. So in db2 no two procedure, two SP with the same name can have same number of, or can't have the same number of parameters. Okay, and then when you have the when you satisfy this condition, that means you can have another procedure with adjust salary name. However, the specific name should be different, so that the system catalog, the specific name is used to identify a store procedure. However, when calling, the number of parameters in the store procedure is used to differentiate the different store procedures with different names. Okay, so it's a SQL language that we're gonna use. We would see db2 store procedure in detail later, because db2 uses the PL SQL language, programming language. Okay, so which is used in Oracle as well. Okay, we will see this a little bit later. Right now we'll focus on the simple example of it. So the db2 procedure has got begin, and the begin can be identified with the word, I mean kind of signal, you can say. So S is a kind of the identifier of the begin statement, and then you got this begin has got an end at the end. Okay, and its identifier S, because inside here you can have another begin here with the keyword, something to differentiate, right? This begin and that begin needs to be differentiated. So you have the begin identifier here, beginning identifier. So within the begin you got declare variables, so you declare variable with the data type. Then in db2 you assign values using set operator, set parameter. So set variable 1 and now the value you assign. We got the select statement, and you into the new variables. You do some if condition. You can use go keyword to actually exit, as you can just continue with the conditions. Okay, you're updating, and then you have this exit sets a value, and then set assign some value to the b adjusted salary is nothing but the output parameter. So when the moment you assign some values to this variable, output parameter variable, then that output parameter exits from the returns this value to the application, and then exit the store procedure. So we'll look at the db2 store procedure once again. So it has got the create procedure, the procedure name. It uses the in out keywords to differentiate input parameter output parameter. Now we talked about the different parameters, importance of having different parameters, because db2 can have more than one procedure with different names, or with the same name, sorry. And then you have the specific, the importance of specific. It's used, the procedure actual name of this procedure is this one, which is used in the system catalog. We got this language secrets, SQL transaction, it's gonna take care of. We got a begin has some identifier. This identifier is here. Importance of that we have also looked at. And then you got the declare variable name, and the data type, and you got the set is used to assign some values to the variables in db2. You got the other conditions thing. One important thing that we haven't looked at, we got to take into of is here. So there is this semicolon is used to identify or differentiate one line from the another in db2, which is not the case in Sybase. Alright, so this one we gotta make a note of. Okay, so I guess we are pretty much done with db2. I think we can move to the next one, which is the Teradata. So in Teradata you can either use replace or create procedure name. So there are two keywords available in Teradata. So here we use replace would actually look at the system catalog for the procedure name. If it's present, then would drop that procedure definition from the catalog, and then would create the new one with the test variable syntax procedure name. So you got the parameters. One parameter you got, you have a begin, and then begin has got a begin identifier, and that begin is here. Okay, so here we use again a delimiter to identify from one line to the another. So Teradata uses that. You have a declare test statement, declare, and here you do a select into. So this actually says that it's a variable. You're assigning some values of the variable. Okay, that is assigned back to the local variables values. You insert something, insert again, then that's it. I mean, it's pretty easy. The important difference is you can use replace procedure name, then it doesn't have any input output out keyword here, and you have the semicolon difference here. And you can actually use some kind of delimiter to identify the variables. I guess, I mean, that's pretty much okay. Thanks.